Hi, so today we are going to learn the classification of monosaccharides. So as you know, monosaccharide can be classified according to the number of carbons as well as the functional groups. So monosaccharides, number one, monosaccharide can also divide according to their functional group, okay, which is two, aldehyde group and also the ketone groups in their molecular structure. Just want to tell you that this is a very important point. All monosaccharides are reducing sugar. Why? This is because the presence of carbonyl group, CO group, in the aldehyde and ketone groups. The aldehyde and ketone groups are important because they provide the reducing property. They are electron donor, or you can say they can add in the hydrogen atom, then become the primary alcohol for aldehyde, and ketone become the secondary alcohol. The monosaccharides with the aldehyde groups are known as aldoses, and monosaccharides with the ketone group are known as ketoses. So these are the example of aldoses and ketoses. For aldoses, carbon 3 glyceraldehyde, mean these monosaccharide with the aldehyde groups. Okay, carbon 5 ribose and deoxyribose. Okay, these two sugar monosaccharide, they have aldehyde groups. The functional group is aldehyde groups. Okay, for ketoses, ribulose. I mean, ribulose has ketone groups. For carbon 6, glucose and galactose. Whereas for ketoses, fructose for carbon 6. So the physical properties of monosaccharide, as I already tell you, the taste is sweet, all are soluble and can be crystallized. And the chemical properties of monosaccharides are they are all reducing sugar, so they have reducing properties because of the presence of the carbonyl group, the aldehyde group, and the ketone groups. They also can carry out or undergo condensations to form disaccharide or polysaccharides. Next, the test for the reducing sugar, we can use this Benedict test, okay, or Fehling test. Okay, so reducing sugar with the carbonyl group, okay, example, aldehyde or ketones, they are able to reduce copper 2 ions, which is blue in color, copper 2 ion, which is blue in color, copper 2 sulfates, which are blue, into copper 1 ions, which are brick red precipitates. Make sure that during exam you don't write down Cu2+. You only can write down in words copper 2 ion and copper 1 ion. Okay, so you will see the color change from the blue, and then your 红绿灯最下面的那个灯是绿、黄，然后黄或者 orange and then 红。Okay, 红绿灯那个 blue change to green means there is a presence of reducing sugar, but the amount is less. So if blue change to orange, is the presence of this shows the presence of reducing sugar, but the amount is also less, but more than the green colors. If green colors mean very, very less reducing sugar. If blue change to red, this shows the presence of reducing sugar and the amount of reducing sugar is a lot. So you can see the color changes. Blue, if the solution remain blue, that means there is no reducing sugar is present. No. Okay, if blue change to greens, that means has trace of reducing sugars. Yellow, low amount reducing sugar. Orange, moderate amount reducing sugar. And brick red precipitates, that means large amount of reducing sugars.